In the ever-changing world of finance, support levels are really important for investors to look at. You can see these levels on price charts. They show us prices where a particular asset, like a currency, stock, or cryptocurrency, has been popular with buyers in the past. This buying interest usually stops the price from going down further, creating a support level. Support levels are important because they give us a peek into how the market feels and where prices might go. Traders and investors watch these levels closely to make smart decisions about buying and selling. For example, in the foreign exchange market, a support level for the euro against the US dollar might mean that traders think the euro is underpriced. This could lead to more people buying euros and potentially pushing the price back up. Similarly, in the stock market, a support level for a company's stock might show that investors believe in the company's future. This could encourage them to buy more stock and potentially increase the price. But it's super important to remember that support levels aren't foolproof. The market is always changing and is affected by many things. Understanding support levels helps us understand market trends, but we should always use them with other tools and be careful. Volatility is a natural part of financial markets. Prices can change quickly and unpredictably, often driven by news events, economic data releases, or even just shifts in investor sentiment. For both seasoned traders and newcomers, navigating these turbulent waters requires a calm and composed mindset. One of the keys to staying calm amidst market volatility is having a well-defined trading plan. This plan should outline your investment goals, risk tolerance, and entry and exit strategies. Having a clear roadmap helps minimize emotional decision-making, which can be detrimental in volatile markets. Instead of panicking when prices drop, view it as a potential buying opportunity. By staying informed, sticking to your plan, and maintaining a long-term perspective, you can weather the market storms and emerge stronger on the other side. The support point of community consensus is built on belief, and how to generate belief is key. First, we must treat the rise and fall of prices with a normal mind. This is the most normal trading routine. Nothing can stay high forever. So in foreign exchange, the stock market and cryptocurrency, there are no exceptions. Especially cryptocurrencies have entered traditional finance and are more influenced by politics. For example, recently, Trump's words made Bitcoin rise, and Germany and the United States selling Bitcoin directly caused Bitcoin to pull back. The news of the US interest rate cut is good for the stock market, foreign exchange, and the currency circle. Japan's interest rate hike also affects all investment and trading markets, so everyone must understand the callback is short-lived, the peak is instantaneous, and ups and downs are the norm, so we must have the mentality of long-term investment. The second condition is to stabilize the mentality and face the callback slide. You must have the state of mind of Mount Tai collapsing in front of you without changing your face. But how to do it? For example, if you have ample savings during the COVID-19 lockdown, you don't have to panic, right? Just like after FSP went public, everyone must first understand SCF's corporate strategy, the ultimate market for benchmarking. Otherwise, when it rises to 50 times and suddenly falls to 30 times, you will panic and sell all the FSP in your hand. That would be a waste of all the previous efforts because you don't grasp the ultimate value of SCF as a support point for belief. The core focus is on SCF technology paving the way. Anchoring a capital market of 400 billion, the current 2.7 trillion currency circle market is still in its infancy. The market value of Microsoft or Apple alone has surpassed the total market value of the entire currency circle. WeChat Pay dominates the Chinese consumer market, occupying trillions of deposited reserve funds, earning tens of millions of interest every month. FinPay combines the SWIFT, PayPal, and Visa payment systems of international banks to create a global, cross-border, and cross-chain payment gateway for Web 3.0. In the future, FUSD may become the currency for online and offline shopping, or you can use other blockchains built on SCF to exchange for national currencies. For example, Polygon can exchange Indian rupees. FinPay's target market is a consumer market of 27 trillion. FinSBT, FinBill and FinPay paved the way for a decentralized banking system with a total market value of 344 billion. The total target market value is 400 trillion. That's 100 times more than the 2.7 trillion cryptocurrency market. In other words, you earn 1,000 on Ethereum and SCF will give you 100 times the value in the future. But the question comes, how can it be done? First, we must understand SCF's corporate layout and distinguish between three types of target markets. The primary market is Ethereum's 5,700 developers. The first category is enterprise developers. They can't fully utilize Ethereum to the ultimate C-end market of 27 trillion because the transaction fee is above 200 USDT, so you can only do B2B bulk transactions. For example, the C-end selling price is $10, then it will not be possible. SCF's low transaction fees can complete the development of the C-end, coupled with the fact that Ethereum's transaction speed is calculated in minutes while SCF is settled in seconds. The second is the currency trading market. SCF's high throughput, second level settlement and low slippage are the biggest attractions. FinChain's second level settlement transactions allow experts to predict costs in a matter of seconds. Third, it will attract foreign exchange and stock markets. In the past for them, the currency circle was a grey area, even a money game. Now Trump has designated Bitcoin as a national strategic capital, leading China to join the ranks of reserving Bitcoin, and many countries will successively reserve Bitcoin, Ethereum or other cryptocurrencies as national strategic capital. And the empowerment of the currency circle with tens of thousands of times the profit will make foreign exchange and stock market investors impressed. With the above understanding of the ultimate value of SCF, it has established a long-term goal concept for us, and we will be able to firmly support FSP's callback. The market is dominated by two investment mentalities: speculative traders and long-term investors. When the venture capital market is a group of speculative traders whose main purpose is to make profits, they will close when they see good and withdraw when they see bad, which will cause a callback fluctuation. But if you have the highest value of SCF and consolidate your belief, you will not be affected. You will not be moved by the wind, and you will be able to stick to the highest price. This is the solid support point that generates community consensus. The three basic conditions for a large community consensus plus: first, market fluctuations are regarded as normal. Second, make long-term investment plans. Third, have a deep understanding of SCF's ultimate layout and ultimate value. Then you will not be affected by market fluctuations, be able to deal with it calmly and achieve the realm of calmness. Take a situation as an example. For example, when FSP is at a price of 50 times, it suddenly pulls back to 30 times and retail investors without faith will retreat. But with full preparation and long-term investment planning, there will be a bottom line to stick to the most profitable investment strategy. Maybe when it reaches 100 times, releasing 10% will be enough to buy a luxury car and change to a big house. But if at 50 times, because of the selling pressure of speculators, it falls back to 30 times, and you are too late to sell 80% to buy a car and a house, then you will lose a lot. The consensus can support the 30x point from slipping further. The miracle of Bitcoin has made us realize a classic saying in the currency circle: nothing is impossible in the currency circle, only what you can't think of. What's more, SCF is a well-planned technology paving and forward-looking corporate strategy layout of the highest capital market pattern. It just takes time and a strong community consensus. Everything is ready and you can get it easily. SCF is a company that operates in a dynamic environment. They show how important strategic positioning and community involvement are for success. SCF's forward-looking business strategies and cutting-edge technology pave the way, anchoring a capital market of 400 trillion. Compared to the 2.7 trillion cryptocurrency market, which is still in its infancy, SCF's ultimate goal is to surpass the total market value of cryptocurrencies by 100-fold. SCF actively engages with its user base through community initiatives like social media, forums, Zoom and Telegram group meeting. By doing this, SCF fosters a sense of shared ownership and purpose. This community-centric approach not only strengthens brand loyalty but also provides SCF with valuable feedback and insights directly from its users. This feedback loop allows SCF to adapt its products and strategies based on market demands, ensuring its continued relevance and competitiveness. Part 4. The power of collective belief, navigating markets as a community. In the often isolating world of finance, the concept of community might seem out of place. However, shared experiences, collective learning, and mutual support can be invaluable assets, especially when navigating market uncertainties. Community consensus, built on a foundation of shared knowledge and belief in a particular asset or project, can act as a powerful stabilizing force during periods of market volatility. When individuals come together, share their insights, and offer each other emotional support, it fosters a sense of unity that helps counteract the fear and uncertainty that often lead to irrational market behavior. This collective belief can be particularly crucial in nascent markets, such as cryptocurrencies, where price swings can be dramatic. Platforms like online forums, social media groups, and dedicated community websites provide spaces for individuals to connect, exchange ideas, and learn from each other's experiences. These platforms can contribute to financial literacy, empower individual investors, and foster a sense of collective responsibility. Part 5. Patience and foresight, reaping long-term rewards in a volatile landscape. In the pursuit of financial success, it's easy to get caught up in the allure of quick profits and short-term gains. However, the reality is that building lasting wealth requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Just as a skilled gardener nurtures their plants over time, allowing them to grow and flourish, so too must investors approach their portfolios with a similar mindset. This means resisting the urge to make impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations, and instead focusing on the fundamentals of your investment strategy. Take, for instance, the examples of Amazon, Apple, or Bitcoin. Early investors who recognized the long-term potential of these assets and held on to their investments through periods of market turbulence were ultimately rewarded for their patience and conviction. The key takeaway is this: while market volatility is inevitable, it shouldn't deter you from your long-term financial goals. By staying informed, remaining disciplined, and adhering to your investment strategy, you can navigate the market's ups and downs and ultimately achieve financial success.